We're a European-based capability provider working in the unmanned space, giving capabilities based on unmanned ground vehicles. We've been in business since 2013. We're deployed to Ukraine, and we're deploying a number of specialized vehicles that enable capabilities for NATO and allied forces. For example, this one, the Havoc, is one of the new vehicles that we bring into the fight that brings special capabilities for users. This exceeds demands for unmanned space, and it enables direct engagement of the target as well as brigade level assets to support and maintain the fighting frontline units. This could be items such as radars, it could be items such as counter-artillery radars, and it could be items such as mine throwers. Milrem is also deployed in Ukraine with our TEMES. This is an essential capability that allows them to do cargo distribution along the front line where cargo is needed. They've chosen TEMES because it is a highly reliable and battle-proven platform. TEMES can take up to 750 kilo payload, and in some configurations can go up to 1,000 kilo payload capability. TEMES is also a hybrid-based vehicle. It operates a diesel engine that operates an electrical battery to the electrical drivetrain. TEMES can take all kinds of terrains, and it's tested today from the desert in the Middle East and in Africa to the Nordics. It's even been deployed to the farthest reaches of the north, close to the North Pole. Today, Milrem is one of the few providers in the unmanned space that are capable of supporting large-scale capability deployment with NATO armies. We provide a capability set that enables the combination of unmanned ground vehicles, vehicle autonomy and orchestration systems that support and enable an effective deployment of capability. That capability supports effectors in the field, it supports logistics, it supports CASEVAC, and it supports all other sensing that you require on the battlefield. This includes counter-UAS for several roles, it includes direct engagement and combat reconnaissance. As part of the capability that we provide, Milrem has developed a key speciality in integration and systems engineering. Today we can work with a multitude of payload providers to provide the exact payload capability to the front line that you require. We have done counter-UAS with several remote weapon station suppliers, and we work constantly to provide new counter-UAS and new capabilities with other providers. What we're showing here at Eurosatory is the R400 Slinger coming from EOS, and that we have integrated together with KNDS France for experimentation with the French authorities. What we're also showing here is the frontline counter-UAS solution that we are providing together with Frontline and that we will hopefully deploy to Ukraine in short time. The payloads that we offer together with our partners are not restricted to this. We can carry any kind of payload that we can get from our partners as long as it is below 1 ton. We have seen and we are integrating both new payloads for customers, but we're also integrating GFE equipment based on existing equipment in our users' armed forces. This is a highly effective process and enables a simpler deployment of an unmanned capability within the structural constraints of an army. It means that we can deploy the same systems to the battlefield that are already in use and rely on the existing systems.